What's up, guys? It's Dmitry here, and today I'm going to discuss about another course that I'm planning to produce. It's called Docker, or it's going to be everything about Docker service. So in this course, I will start explaining from scratch what Docker is. Essentially, this course is for beginners. I'll start from scratch, and I'm going to talk about in general what the Docker is, like why do we need Docker, like what we use in Docker for, and I'm going to explain how to create your own Docker file, how to run all these Docker commands in order to create image based on this Docker file, and then how to run your own Docker container, and probably how to store images like remotely in the Docker repository. And then later on, because I'm also planning to produce another course which is called Kubernetes, essentially, I'm going to explain how later on Kubernetes can grab or pull the Docker image like from remote Docker repository or Docker Hub, for instance. And like all this automated process, and then how to run the Docker container in Kubernetes environment. So I'm going to discuss about all these things because I think nowadays they're really crucial, like for any software developers, because nowadays it's not enough just not to know the code. We need to understand the infrastructure, what's going on behind the scene, like where our services, where our platform or applications are running and how they run. And essentially I'm targeting the web developers because it's predominantly all about web development, infrastructure, and but again, if you're really interested, any software developer I think would benefit from this course. I hope to see you guys soon, and stay in touch, guys. Have a lovely day, and please subscribe if you're interested in this upcoming course, and please like this video if you think you would potentially benefit from this course, or from watching this video. Thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.